Good morning, Mr. Brown. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, thank you. I slept very well.
Would you like some breakfast?
Yes, please. I'm very hungry.
May I have your room number?
312.
Thank you. Breakfast is included. The buffet is by the window.
Great. What do you have today?
Toast, eggs, fruit, cereal, and pancakes.
I'll have some pancakes and coffee, please.
Help yourself. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Excuse me, which bus goes to the city zoo?
You need bus number 5.
Does it stop near the main entrance?
Yes, right in front.
How often does it come?
Every 15 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Good morning, Ben. Are you making coffee?
I tried, but the coffee machine isn't working.
Really? Is it plugged in?
Yes, but nothing happens.
Maybe it's broken.
I think so. Should we buy a new one?
Yes, I need my morning coffee.
I'll go to the store after work.
Thanks, Ben. You're a lifesaver. Good morning, Ben. Are you making coffee?
I tried, but the coffee machine isn't working.
Really? Is it plugged in?
Yes, but nothing happens.
Maybe it's broken.
I think so. Should we buy a new one?
Yes, I need my morning coffee.
I'll go to the store after work.
Thanks, Ben. You're a lifesaver.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I need a taxi to the airport.
When do you need it?
As soon as possible, please.
I'll call one for you. Do you have a lot of luggage?
Just one suitcase.
The taxi will be here in 10 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to exchange euros for dollars.
How much would you like to exchange?
200 euros, please.
The rate today is $1.01 per euro, minus a $3 fee.
That's fine.
Here are your dollars and your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Hello, I'm looking for a birthday gift for my friend.
What does your friend like?
She likes writing and drawing.
How about this notebook and pen set?
That's perfect. How much is it?
$12 for both.
I'll take it. Can you wrap it?
Of course.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Are you ready to pay? Yes, I'll pay by card. Please insert your card here. It says transaction failed. Would you like to try again? Sure, still not working. Do you have cash? Only $5. There's an ATM across the street. I'll get cash and come back. No problem, I'll keep your bill here.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. Are you going to Central City?
Yes, I visit my family there.
Me too. I love train rides.
Me too. It's relaxing.
What book are you reading?
A mystery novel.
Sounds interesting. Have a good trip.
You too.
Hi, Mr. Smith. Can I ask for a day off next week?
Of course. Which day?
Next Thursday, please.
No problem. Is your work up to date?
Yes, I finished my report.
Good. Enjoy your day off.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.